really give what they supposed to be giving.
Real J Wells, I was going straight savage. Looking at me once, you can tell I ain't average. Picture my life, yeah, I already have it. Lavish, living in a mansion, advancing. Everybody wanna be bad to the bone, but everybody wanna be in everybody.
Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Real J Wells. If you didn't know, now you know. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a returning honey, what's a goodie in a hoodie, y'all? So as y'all can tell by the title, today's video is going to be all about these braids. Like, yes, they look so cute, and they come all the way down to my butt. And they are really small. So yes, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did my hair just like this, because this right here, this looks so good. Getting braids like this is gonna cost you like between $300 to, honestly, I done seen like $700 for some braids like these. So I'm gonna show y'all how to be a baddie on a budget, and this cost me like maybe like $20 with the products that I use too. So y'all can get this same hairstyle for $20, and I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below. And y'all know when I do the hair videos, I love when y'all DM me. So DM me on Instagram @_RealJWells and let me know how your hair turned out when you tried this out the way I showed you. All right, y'all, so let's get into this so y'all can see how to slay like I'm slaying. All right, let's do it. All right, y'all, so I was gonna cut the light off, but it looked better with the light off on camera, but I need the light on because I need to be able to see. But I think this will be good enough to show y'all what I'm doing. All right, this is how I'm looking. But first, let me show you guys the things that I'm using. So I'm using some coconut oil. I'm just using this to moisturize my hair and make sure it's moisturized while I'm braiding my hair, because I want my hair to be healthy and growing while they're in these braids too. So I want to take care of my natural hair. I look crazy with this braid sticking out. Yeah, I look so crazy. And then, let me just hold it. And then I got this Shine and Jam. These are the two products that I'm using to braid my hair up. I'm using this comb right here. This one right here is helping me get like more precise partings and stuff. That's what I look at YouTube videos, y'all, to learn how to do these styles too. So this is the hair that I have. It's by the brand Septra, yeah, that's what this says. And this came in a 5-pack. I had 5 packs of hair, and it was $10. So, and it's already pre-stretched, so that cuts down a lot of time. So I do recommend you get this hair. I will definitely try to remember to put the link definitely for the hair, because they do have it online if you don't have anywhere locally that sells this hair. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's do this, because I'm ready to get done with my hair now. Like I'm ready to get done at this point. And I have my mirror right here, which is actually good, because y'all can still see, like me braiding my hair. And look, I gotta cut me on something. I'm gonna probably do a voiceover so I can just do my hair and then talk to y'all when I wanna talk to y'all. But I'm just about to part off a section, and y'all can just really watch me do that. Watch and see how I part off my section. And I have a couple more sections, so y'all will see me do it a couple of times. If y'all are liking this video so far, make sure you like this video and comment down below and let me know if you're gonna try it. And subscribe if you've been watching my videos and you love me. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I love y'all. I love when y'all comment on my videos. I love when y'all show love. It just means so much to me. So yeah, let's get into this slay. Yes, they look so good, and when I dip them, they're gonna really give what they supposed to be giving. All right, y'all, so it's time to get started. Make sure you have your hair detangled. all out, because that's how I started. And the only products that I have in my hair is the coconut oil that I showed you guys earlier. I'm kind of lazy, so I probably didn't detangle my hair as thoroughly as I should. So I'm like, ooh, that hurt. But it don't even matter. It's my head and I'm doing it myself. So I can be as gentle or as rough as I want to, you know? So I'm parting out this section, trying to make it really, really precise, especially since I'm in the front of my head. I want them parts to be extra crispy, extra straight, and really giving what it needs to give. I'm also braiding my hair in like a curved motion. I don't know if y'all really understand what I'm saying, but I'm braiding it. I'm parting my sections in like a curved motion instead of just doing it like straight back and stuff like that. So yeah, that's something that I did with my braids. I know everybody does this differently. I also use that jam that I showed you guys in the beginning to make my parts extra crispy. If y'all seen anybody with some fire parts, they always put the jam in their parts and then repart the section to make sure those parts are straight as a line. You see me, you see that part, that thing is crispy. Like, yes, y'all really do what I did because you're gonna have them crispy parts. So now we about to make sure that hair is fully moisturized. I did put coconut oil in my hair when I detangled it, but I wanna make sure it's extra, extra, extra moisturized. So I put extra coconut oil on each section after I part it out. All right, y'all, so now I'm about to take my hair and separate little pieces, and I separate about 4 pieces for the back and then about 5 pieces for the top, just to make sure the length was equal to the bottom. And yeah, now I'm going to take a little section within this row and section it off. Try to make it about the same size and start your knotless braid. Now I braid mine up a little bit and then I add the first piece of hair underneath, and then I braid it around one more time. Then I add another piece. Braid around again, add the third piece. And after the third piece, I braid down a lot more. I try to braid it down until about halfway through the length of what I want my braid to be until I add the 4th piece of hair. And I add jam throughout the entire time of braiding to make sure my braid is sleek, shiny, and looking real good. You see I'm adding that last piece at the end, and then I'm going to braid it all the way down. I may have a 5th piece that I add to the end just in case it's not long enough to match with the bottom braids. So now we're moving on to the next braid. We're going to part off a equal size section and repeat those same steps. Alright, so I hope this is as good as a view as I was able to get for you guys, but I hope you guys can really see. So I start the braid one loop and then I add a piece. Then I loop it around one more time, I add another piece, and then I loop it around again, and then I add another piece. I add my pieces of hair in the same place every single time, right up underneath on the same side, you know. And I just braid it down. And once I braid it down a little bit, I can reposition my hands to just plait it down. You see how I'm transitioning my hand positioning of the braid because I am doing it on myself. And I just plait it down until I'm ready to add some more hair. I hope y'all understand what I'm saying, or you get the visual from me doing the braids. I'm gonna do one more braid so you guys can see one more time if you didn't see clearly how I'm doing my braids. And I hope I'm trying to be as thorough as possible with you guys so that you guys can get the same style and be a baddie on a budget like your girl. Alright y'all, so I'm about to play some bomb music for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and make sure you stay until the end so you can see your girl again and see the finished product and how these braids are looking. If you guys do decide to try this style, make sure to let me know and DM me on Instagram at _RealJWells so that I can see how your knotless braids turned out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I love you guys so much.